Dremel 7350 5 Cordless Rotary Toolkit. The Dremel 7350 5 Cordless Rotary Toolkit is a versatile and convenient tool that offers functionality, portability, and ease of use. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that this tool is a great addition to anyone's toolbox. One of the standout features of the Dremel 7350 5 is its cordless design. This feature allows for maximum flexibility and maneuverability, making it easy to work on various projects without being restricted by a cord. The tool is powered by a 4-volt battery, which provides enough power to handle a wide range of tasks. The lightweight nature of this tool is also worth noting. Weighing in at a mere few pounds, it is comfortable to hold and use for extended periods of time, reducing fatigue and strain on the user. This feature is especially important for those who engage in intricate and detailed work, as it allows for greater precision and control.